Today, we will talk about how to put two twin beds together. Let's have a look at the details. Maybe you want to repurpose your kids' old twin beds into a king-size bed for your guest room. Or perhaps you've booked a room with two single beds, and you'd prefer one large one. Putting two twin beds together will give you the luxurious width of a standard king-size bed, but how do you keep them from sliding apart while you sleep? If you're looking for a permanent solution, you can use a king-sized bed frame, and then fill in the gap between the mattresses. For a quick fix, just attach the bed frames or the mattresses to each other. The first method is permanent solution. Choose a king-sized bed frame that's raised on the sides. Make sure there's a lip on the edge of the bed frame that will hold the mattresses in place. This will help prevent the twin mattresses from sliding away from each other while you sleep. If you use two twin-sized bed frames, they'll shift apart from each other while you're sleeping unless you secure them to each other. Switching to a king-sized bed frame is a better long-term option. Place the mattresses onto the bed frame. First, put your two twin-sized box springs onto the bed frame. Then top that with the mattresses. They should fit the width of the bed neatly. Twin mattresses are 91 centimeters wide, so side by side, they're the same width as a king, 180 centimeters. Place a foam wedge in the gap between the beds. One of the biggest issues with putting twin beds together is that there's often a slight gap between the mattresses. Luckily, you can buy specially made foam wedges that are designed to convert twin beds into king-sized. Just press the wedge down into the gap, then smooth out the top. Use a pillow top mattress pad if you want to disguise the wedge. You don't have to do anything else if you're happy with the way your bed is set up now. However, if you think the foam wedge might be too noticeable while you're sleeping, cover the mattresses with a fluffy pillow top mattress pad or a memory foam topper before you put on your fitted sheet. If you use two standard mattresses, place the mattress topper so it hangs evenly over the top and bottom of the bed. That will help disguise some of the difference in length, especially when you put your sheets on the bed. However, if you don't want to use a topper, just tuck the sheets a little further under the mattress. And the second method is quick fixes. Strap the mattresses together so they can't slide. Wrap a long strap like a flat ratchet strap around the perimeter of the mattresses. Then buckle it to secure the mattresses to each other. Secure the bed frames together for an easy solution. If you just need a temporary fix, like if you're staying in a hotel or you just want to try out a larger size bed for a couple of nights, try tying the legs or sides of the bed frame together. You can use anything you have on hand, including a rope, belt, cord, or zip ties. Turn the mattresses sideways in a pinch. Place them horizontally instead of vertically, so one's running along the head of the bed and the other is at the foot. Since the bed frames will still be horizontal, the mattresses will be less likely to slide as you sleep. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.